13,000 years ago, a predator larger and stronger than any wolf we know today roamed North America, the dire wolf. It vanished forever, or so we thought. Now, a company called Colossal Biosciences claims they've brought it back using genetic engineering. Are we witnessing real-life Jurassic Park? Or is this just a clever twist on modern wolves? Today, we dive deep into the science, the controversy, and the truth behind this so-called resurrection. Stay till the end, because the reality might shock you. The dire wolf, or Canis dirus, was first discovered in 1854 near the Ohio River. Unlike modern wolves, it was bigger, about 25% larger, with a stronger skull and powerful jaws made to crush bone. But despite their size, dire wolves vanished around 13,000 years ago, likely because the giant prey they hunted went extinct. Pop culture made them even larger than life. In Game of Thrones, they were depicted as lion-sized beasts, loyal to the Stark family. But in reality, they were formidable, but not mythical monsters. For over a century, scientists thought dire wolves were close relatives of gray wolves and coyotes. But in 2021, a groundbreaking study published in Nature changed everything. By analyzing ancient DNA from fossils found in places like the La Brea tar pits in Los Angeles, researchers discovered that dire wolves split off from other wolves nearly 5.7 million years ago. They weren't just big wolves, they were an entirely different branch of the dog family. And this unique genetic identity is what makes de-extincting them such a massive challenge, and also what fuels the controversy around Colossal Biosciences' claims. Enter Colossal Biosciences, a Texas-based biotech company aiming to bring back extinct species, including the woolly mammoth, Tasmanian tiger, and yes, the dire wolf. They recently announced that their first successful de-extinction is the dire wolf, with 3 pups named Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi. But here's the catch. Experts are skeptical. Many believe these pups aren't true dire wolves, but genetically modified versions of modern wolves. Using a technique called genetic engineering, scientists edit the DNA of living animals to reintroduce traits from extinct species. It's not cloning, it's more like creating a hybrid that looks and behaves like the extinct animal, but isn't genetically identical. So, are these dire wolves, or are they just designer wolves with dire wolf features? That's the million-dollar question. Let's break down the 3 main ways scientists attempt de-extinction. 1. Backbreeding, like the Quagga project in Africa, where zebras were selectively bred to resemble an extinct cousin. 2. Cloning, like Dolly the sheep or the Spanish Bucardo goat, which was cloned but sadly died minutes after birth. 3. Genetic engineering. This is Colossal's method. Scientists extract ancient DNA from fossils, sequence it, and then use tools like CRISPR to edit the genes of living relatives. For dire wolves, that means altering gray wolves. But remember, ancient DNA is fragmented. No fossil gives you a full clean genome. So what you get is a best-guess reconstruction, part dire wolf, part modern wolf. This brings us to the big ethical question. Should we even bring back extinct species? Some experts argue it's better to save the endangered animals we have today, rather than resurrect creatures from the past. According to a 2019 UN report, over 1 million species are at risk of extinction right now. And there's the ecological risk. What happens if a recreated predator like the dire wolf is released into modern ecosystems? Will it adapt or cause new problems? So, are Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi real dire wolves? Technically, no, but they might be the closest thing we'll ever get. Whether that's an exciting step forward or a dangerous game with nature, that's up to us to decide. What do you think? Should we bring back extinct species like the dire wolf and woolly mammoth? Or should we focus on saving the species we still have? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon, because we've got more mind-blowing science stories coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.